But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hi, how you doing? Anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's your girl D, and obviously I'm not home right now. I'm on the road, but I was thinking to myself, like, I'm on the road, as I said before, and I have like nothing to do right now. I'm at the studio, but the engineer is out, and I'm here alone. Yeah, I'm here alone. So I said, why not talk to my people for a little bit, right? So guess what? Story time. Story time. I don't even have a set topic to like tell you guys about right now. But I'm finna just freestyle and let's see what story y'all end up hearing today. So for the persons, seriously phone. For the persons that been watching my channel thus far, I really appreciate y'all. I be at 15K subscribers right now. Yeah, I just hit 15K. And thank you guys so much for the love. Remember, give this video a thumbs up. As you click it, go thumbs up. Like, thumbs up. Like, thumbs up. Okay? Yeah. Give this video a good thumbs up. Okay, guys, so let me tell y'all something, right? I think I'm going to tell you guys about... I'm gonna tell you guys about when the first guy that hit on me, how it ended and what happened. So basically this story is gonna be telling you people about the first boy that told me he liked me and what did I do. So yeah, somebody did like me. Ooh, vex. Somebody did like me. Ooh, vex. You, she, him, I don't care. Nobody gives up. Anyways. Yeah. So, okay, so it was back when I was going to primary school. That was when the first person said that they liked me. I was going to primary school. I was excited at first because I was like, oh, like, everybody's having a boyfriend, so I can probably have a boyfriend too. But guess what? The boy like me never like him. I never immediately like me. The love of one boy named Aaron. Yeah. And but the love of a boy named Aaron. The boy named Aaron Gale. Aaron Gale, right? Yeah. I liked Aaron Gale so much. He was just so cute. He was just so different, you know? All the other guys were like, duh. And he was like, D. You know, everybody else was like, duh. He was like, D. Yeah, so I liked him. He was so different. The reason for that, though, was because Aaron was a guy that spoke standard English fluently. He never used to do patois. He was just that guy that's always speaking standard English. That's always just so pretty. He's so brown. He's so skinny. He's so cute. He's that skinny, little cute guy. Yeah, I know everybody wants a skinny, little cute guy when you're going to school. The brown, cute guy that speaks standard English. Yeah. And then you have other girls that want the bad man then, but me, they want to look a nice nerd one. So it's like the guy that liked me off, we were in the same form because I was in grade 6, I think. No, I think I was in grade 4 or something like that. I don't remember. And we were in the same forum. At that time, I was not. Phone, stop doing that now. Guys, I'm not gonna cut these clips out. I'm just gonna do one straight thing. So I'm not gonna cut the phone dropping out. So I'm really sorry for that. I hope you guys watch the video to the end. I hope you guys are enjoying it thus far. I'm gonna kind of boring, but I don't know. I say it sometimes. I'm still sick. I'm still recovering. Pray for me. For the persons that been praying, keep praying. For the persons that didn't pray, don't start. For the persons that praying their badass prayers, like, be careful. God don't like ugly. God do not like ugly. Okay? Period. Okay, so the boy know like me off and thing. And it's like, he told me that he liked me. but I never liked him back. Honestly, I was in grade 4. I wasn't even like actually planning on having an actual boyfriend. I didn't know what boyfriends were for. I just knew that you like a guy like you back. Like when you carry lunch go to school, sometimes I can share it with him or him share film with you. Or one and two time when they can kiss each other. Or whatever, you know. I didn't even know that like liking somebody, you guys gotta. I didn't even know something was called sex at them time. Seriously, like I never knew nothing about intercourse when I was in grade 4, but I was out looking for boyfriends. Can you believe that? Like I didn't even know that we can do. Oh my God! Can you stop? Yeah, guys, I had no idea that we could. But I was out looking for a boyfriend. I was out looking for a boyfriend. And I had no clue that I could smash him or all of that goodness. So, yeah. Anyways, back to the book and the gritty bitty. The boy like me off. I like about the boy. Friend. Yeah, I like about the boy. Friend. So, it was my friend. So it's like one love me half, me never love that they one day. But guess what? I two boy me did like one time when me in a grade 4 I got primary school, you know. When me in a grade 4 I got primary school, me did like 2 man one time. Yeah, a 2 man me did like who vex. Me did like 2 man them time there. So I was a boom now girl. And I got church, you know, cause I did have one church boyfriend. My church boyfriend I did my pastor son. My pastor son did have one little brother. My pastor son little brother, you see? Him did enough, like, him did the old one, cause him used to carry the message them. Him used to tell me, say, he want to kiss me. Somebody little tiny one used to tell me, I meant to say little tiny one about, like, say we did a 13, a little one that around 7. And I him a carry news, that him a do everything, you know. You don't come like, I'm here, him a talk. Lord God have mercy. Him in everything, the little man in the little man pose up like 6 in everything. Like him say, see me, I'm wonderfully a pass through. Me there a long time. I saw him go on. So we got some boom now, you know. And it's like, me the love of my pastor son. Me not tell no lie. The boy nice, bad. The little boy nice, him nice. And him cute. The lily boy cute. Me not, yo, the little boy did cute. Honestly, the pastor son did really cute. Him did cute bad. Me did love him half bad. Me did like him bad. Him did cute. And then the guy me did like when he named Aaron, him did cute too. No man, and Aaron the boy name Amir Gale. Where me mean Aaron? Aaron be in high school. Aaron was a boy I met at high school, Homewood Technical. But Aaron Gale is the guy I met at Homewood. Amir, though, is the guy that I liked at school. When I was in grade 4, it wasn't Aaron at all. It was Amir. I'm sorry. So the guy that I met at in grade 4 was actually Amir. It was Amir. Honestly, I didn't even remember that somebody named Amir something. What a guy named? That guy's so sweet. Amir. Okay, I don't remember his name right now, but his name was Amir something. Yeah, Amir something. And Amir did nice, but Amir did not meds me. Amir that meds Olivia. Yeah. Amir did that meds Olivia. So I also had another friend by the name of Olivia. And he liked her. I think. Yeah, I think so. But them time they added me, Olivia, Kimberly, Abigail, and honestly, I think Samika, Janelle. Yeah, so it was me, Olivia, Abigail, Kimberly, Janelle, and Samika. Did I say Samika? I think Samika was there too. But I think we were the ones that actually walked together at that point in time. But it was more of me, Olivia, and Kimberly at one point, and then we had split. And then I had another best friend, which was Abigail. It wasn't Abigail Martin. Abigail Martin was my friend, but she wasn't like the closest at that time. What other girl did name? Oh God, man. I remember so much things right now. How many forget all of them something here? Abigail, Where the girl named Abigail Mighty? Yes, yes, yes. The girl named Abigail Mighty. Abigail Mighty she name, yeah. And then you have Abigail Martin. Me and Abigail Martin still a friend. Big up yourself if you watch the video then, mama. She's still my friend. We speak mostly these days. Because I see her a lot of times. I honestly don't see a lot of persons that I used to go to school with. So I don't really remember every single body. But Abigail Martin are my friend still. Abigail Mighty, I don't know what happened to her. Does anybody know what happened to Abigail Mighty? Shout her out for me if you ever hear from her. Call to her for me. Yeah, she's a good girl. I like her. Remember her. There were a lot of other persons that go to my school, so I'm not gonna remember everybody's name. I cannot give everybody a shout out. I can't call everybody's name one by one. But if me used to go to primary school and you watch my video them, big up yourself. Oh, I remember what I'm your last name. Anderson. Jesus, I remember. His name was Anderson. Amir Anderson. Oh yes, I remember my other crush name now. His name was Javar. Javar Baldo. Baldio. It was Javar and Javier. You had Javar and Javier. Baldio. I think I liked Javar. I think it was a big one. I think the small one is Javier. I don't remember. But at one point in time, I come like, but I did there with the two of them. I never know. But Amir didn't amaze me. Amir did like Olivia. And the one that did like me now, tell him what I'm with him. After me and this guy now, like, we never like each other back. The guy, one day now, me I come up for the school hill and me I go down school hill and I play with myself and me not pay nobody no mind. Just me and my imaginary friend, I go down the hill. You know what I say? When me look, me hear somebody I go so off of the hill. You know what I say? I'm a crush fly past and give me one lick with one whistle on my foot. The boy give me one lick with a whistle on my foot, you know. And when he lick me, you know, he have the nerve for a laugh and I run down the hill. Sweet, me, can't give me a lick. See me, I go down the hill and then he can't so. Gone a yard, you know. Me start ball. When me reach my yard, me a ball. My cousin them see me a ball, everybody see me a ball. Me go my yard, me a ball. My grandmother ask me what I want. Me talk in front of my cousin them, because me have two cousins when the guys same school with me, and I tell them, say, my friend run off of the hill fast like I want lick me with one whistle by my foot. You know what I say? To me tell my cousin them that me have one little cousin, him head big friend, so go down a country down there, so. Me have one cousin in body, see? He look at one of them, but you know, wait until we go to school the other day, you know, my big cousin did done plan to beat up the boy already. But my little cousin him feel like him did better than nobody else. Cause when him used to take up the wall past him head. He used to like buck his head in the wall. Like just walk and go so. Big buck in the wall. That's what he used to do. When he was smaller, he used to hit his head so hard in the wall. We used to call him Marvin Chin. Hear him. Yes, sir. Marvin Chin. Yes, sir. I saw him used to go and ball out him, look at short, you see. Don't like him carry on, but it paid off because he's now in the army and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, back to the story. I've been babbling for so long. I'm gonna stay with me, don't go away. So it's like the guy now hit me on my foot and I was crying. I went home. I told on him, but my cousins took it up in their hands and we were all planning to like beat the out of him. So we got some boom now and I did lunchtime, I think. Because devotion did go on and all we know we line and think, I don't know say primary school strict. When a devotion time, And when a devotion time, everybody has to stand up in them line and think. So all we know we line after we run our class and so. So it's like lunchtime now, me I walk faster, grow now, grade 1 black. When me look at the boy that me see I come back at me. My cousin did swing up and sing thing. My cousin just let down film body like one rope or one snake and give the boy one buck in the boy face. Bro! One buck, my cousin give the boy one buck. When my cousin walk him now, me frightened out of this world, because hear me in my mind, Jesus Christ. Then when my cousin did about this away and my cousin drop down dead or something. Me feel it to my heart, because right now, me frustrated. I don't know what to do, because them time me did fool. Me never to know how to fight, and me never to know about the fighting part. Me used to call it and fool, and me never used to love talk, and me used to do by myself, and me used, at one point, me did feel like me a mad people, cause me just period never used to chat to people. Me never liked speaking to people. I never used to speak a lot. I was always in my corner, by myself, just minding my own business. But this boy and my cousin start fight, so me I lick back, but me can't really fight, but me I lick back. Maybe because hear about the fight, maybe because of run and come now, but my little cousin angle himself and me did I lick back. Lick back, me I lick back. Because of the war, other because of come out war, cause the boy sister war, the boy sister war, friend a war. Everybody in the school a war, and me, I lick back. Everybody about big fight, I lick down, kick down, thump down, box down, and me, I lick back. Anybody lick me, lick them back. Anybody lick me lick them back. I saw me a go on through because what? Me not take nobody lick, but me can't fight. So if you lick me, I lick you back. But that means say me go give you one wonderful big old every tumblebug lick, but it's like you want lick back. Argument done. So it's like sweet a joke. Me know we walk to school the other day now, and when we go to school the other day now, we see the boy father come. Boy father run taxi, go tell boy him job upon him car and into Mandeville and something. But just wait until school over me. My big my uncle girlfriend got a big school. Threaten back the girl and her brother and say if you no lick we beat you up on my uncle every evening before the father come and run off of the town. I don't care what afraid of him. You see from them time them me start get bad. Cause me said then if I saw me I gonna make people take step on me. It don't make no sense me depend me can't do that. Me have to start war. Me have to start fist down and box down and kick down and fight down. Cause me not gonna make you come beat me up. Beat me up, how I can beat me up. But okay, so the moral of the story is I learned how to pick up for myself, basically. And I learned how to go after what I want. Because I think it was shortly after that I realized that I actually liked the guy that was Javier. That was the pastor's son a lot more than I liked Amir. Because Amir was interested in somebody else, and that was probably my first rejection. That was my first rejection because he liked somebody else and I liked him. I really liked that guy. I never really remember his name. Amir Anderson, you dirty boy. I never really remember his name, but I liked him. I did like him a lot. And he didn't choose me then. And I don't even know him now because he was never my boyfriend to begin with. We were never supposed to be together to begin with. And that's how to show that God works in mysterious ways. But at the end of the day, guys, like sometimes you got to go for what you want. Because they didn't work either. So why couldn't I have him when I was in grade 4? Why could I not have him when I was in grade 4? And the funny thing is, I like the two boys, but I don't tell nobody say me like them. But be a bad girl enough. Go on and joke now. Guess who did like the pastor son? Everybody we got church. Every young girl my age who got church did like the pastor son. Guess who the pastor son did like? Me. The pastor son did like me. Yeah, the pastor son did like me. Me and the pastor son used to talk to him. But it wasn't nothing serious. We never kissed, we never hug. Not like that. He was just that pretty little guy that I liked, that liked me back, but I think he liked everybody else too. I mean, I never think him did really know say, but like him, like relationship like him. I think he just thought that I was just one of them girls that, because he was cute, like I don't even know how, like I've never seen him since then. I don't know where he is, nothing like that. But because he was extremely cute, he probably had girls throwing themselves at him all the time, even though we were young, but oh, wait. You know some have one heap of story for telling the door? Yeah. I have a story for telling you know. I got the 2 more story time right now because I feel like I need to tell them story I know. Yeah, what I say? Story time? Tell me if I story time people. I'm just fling up some story. Not even edit. But just have fling up, not even edit. I'm not edit them. Or just throw up story. We don't have to edit nothing though. We just have to fling up 2 story and just say, yo, all this. So what I say? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this story time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do another story time for you guys so that you guys can enjoy y'all Saturday. As you guys can see, I'm at the studio by myself because there's nobody else here and it's kind of boring. Oh, I was trying to turn the camera around so that you guys could see, but I can't see. So I'm at the studio by myself, bored and all that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, leave a thumbs up. Thank you.